Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we had studied primary occupation in India, agriculture, mining, and fishery. Today, we are going to study industries in Brazil and India. Open your textbook, page number 56 and 57. First, industries in Brazil. Major industries in Brazil are iron and steel production, automobile assembly. Automobile assembly means the parts of vehicles which made in other countries and assembled in Brazil. Petroleum processing company means petrol made from crude oil. Chemical production and cement making industry. These are the most important industries in Brazil. In the recent years, technological based industries have been much developed in Brazil. Food processing industries like sugar industries, cotton, textiles, silk, and woolen industries have developed well in Brazil. Most of the large industries concentrated in the south and southeast part of Brazil. The northeast part of Brazil is the poorest part due to unfavorable conditions for industries, but recently it is beginning to start new investment in this area. Next paragraph, we are going to study industries in India. Children, on page number 57, figure 8.4, logos of various industries are given. So, observe the logos given and identify the industries with which they are associated. So, let us see one by one the logos of different industries. First one, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Oil and Natural Gas Exploration and Production. Next one is Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, RINL. Here steel production is going on. Next one is RA, it is a dairy and dairy product. Next one, Chittaranjan Locomotives Work, CLW, electric locomotive manufacturing. Another one is Maharashtra Agro Industries Development Corporation Limited, MAIDC, production of pesticides, fertilizers, animal feed. Agro engineering means introducing new kinds of farm implements, sale and repair of tractors, harvesters, etc. And processing, food processing like jam, jellies and sauces. Another industry is Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC, establishment and development of Khadi and village industries in rural areas. Another industry is Central Silk Board, CSB, silk production. Next one is Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited, RCF, chemical and fertilizers production is going on here. Next question, which raw material is used for these industries? Classify them accordingly. So let us see one by one. Classification of industries. First one, agro based industries. So the industry is known as Maharashtra Agro Industries Development Corporation Limited. Raw material needed for this industry is seeds, raw materials required for the production of pesticides and fertilizers. Next one is the industry is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Raw material needed for this industry is cotton, silk and wool. Next one, animal product based industries. First one, RA. The raw material needed for this industry is milk. Another one is Central Silk Board, CSB. Raw material needed for this industry is silk. Next one, mineral and metal based industries. Industries known as Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, ONGC. Raw material needed for this industry is crude oil and natural gas. Another industry is Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, RINL. Raw material needed for this industry is iron ore and coal. Next one, Chittaranjan Locomotive Work, CLW. Raw material needed for this industry is iron and steel and various metals. Next one, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited, RCF. Raw material needed for this industry is chemicals and different minerals. Okay. Now let us come to next question. From which part of India do they get these raw materials? Discuss and write. First one, iron ore, coal, limestone, etc. are available in Chotanagpur Plateau areas, and Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, etc. In these states, these raw materials are available. Next one, natural gas is available largely in Krishna Godavari basin, Mumbai High in Arabian Sea. Next one is mineral oil. It is available in Mumbai High in Arabian Sea, Digboi in Assam, Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Next, milk available largely in Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Maharashtra, Punjab, Gujarat, etc. Cotton available in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Silk largely available in the states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Now next paragraph, children. The distribution of industries in India is highly uneven. Let us study the reason behind that. Most part of India, the necessary factors which needed for industries are not available, like raw materials, power resources, transportation facilities, etc. So it is largely uneven in India. Next paragraph. In India, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and some parts of Rajasthan, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, metallic minerals are available in these places. Therefore, northeastern part of Indian Peninsula highly concentrated of metal industries located in these areas. Next is Rajasthan is rich with a mineral like copper, lead and zinc. Karnataka has steel, manganese and aluminium are available. In Tamil Nadu, aluminium metal industries are developed on a large scale. Next paragraph. Agro-based industries including cotton, jute and sugar are heavily concentrated where raw materials are easily available. For example, jute produced on a large scale in West Bengal, so jute industries are located in this area. Sugarcane is produced on a large scale in Maharashtra, so sugar factories are located in Maharashtra. Forest-based industries are also concentrated in many states. Industries like paper, plywood, matches, resins and lac means a type of gum are concentrated in the forest areas of various states. Industries like coir, copra means making coconut oil from copra, and fish canning, packing fish and exporting to other countries. These industries are concentrated in the coastal belt of Kerala. Many oil refineries means making petrol from crude oil, are situated close to petroleum producing areas. For example, Koyali, Digboi, etc. Next paragraph. Large scale salt producers in the country are Gujarat, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Big industries like mechanical engineering, electricals, automobile industries are spread all over the country, especially in big cities. These are the most important industries which are located in our country. Children, today we stop here. In the next class we will start with another topic. Okay, complete your assignment.